The Total Money Makeover, written and recorded by Dave Ramsey. To my beautiful wife Sharon, who walked arm in arm with me through a total money makeover. I love you, honey. To the superstars all across America who've had the courage to face the person in the mirror, the culture, their family, and even their co-workers as they lived like no one else so that later they could live and give like no one else. You who have courageously had a total money makeover of the heart and wallet are the real superstars. To the Ramsey Solutions team and the Thomas Nelson team for tireless hours on this project to make this material available to everyone across this great land. Introduction. Read the stories of the lives changed by this book. As a matter of fact, I recommend you take a look at the enhancement and read all the stories first. They will inspire you to read all the way through the book and actually do the proven plan to financial fitness. Many years ago, I was given a calling to show people the truth about debt and money and to give them the hope and the tools necessary to set themselves free financially. First, I did that with a few speaking engagements and a small self-published book titled Financial Peace. Later, Financial Peace was published by a New York publisher and became our first New York Times bestseller. I began doing a small local radio show that's now carried by hundreds of stations across the nation, as well as on podcast platforms like YouTube and Spotify. All that adds up to millions of listeners and viewers who tune in weekly. 30 years ago, we started teaching a class called Financial Peace University, which millions of families have now attended. Then came the Total Money Makeover. I am positive that personal finance is 80% behavior and only 20% head knowledge. Our concentration on behavior, realizing that most folks have a good idea of what to do with money, but not how to do it, has led us to a different view of personal finance. Most financial people make the mistake of trying to show you the numbers, thinking that you just don't get the math. I'm sure that the problem with my money is the guy in my mirror. If he will behave, he can make the money thing work. The math of wealth building is not rocket science. It's simple, but you have to do it. So the proven Total Money Makeover plan I teach has become very successful, not because I found the secrets of the rich, not because I had some revelation that no one else has ever had about credit cards, not because I'm the only one with a debt snowball plan. Instead, this proven plan is having a national impact because I've realized that to change your money thing, you have to change. You have to change your life. When you change your life, you will get out of debt, give, and invest at an unbelievable rate. When you read the stories in the enhancement, you will read not about mathematics or magic systems, but about changed lives. You will read about transformed marriages and relationships. Because when you change your life, you really change your life. So when Mike Hyatt, then the president and CEO of Thomas Nelson Publishers, brought me the concept for a Total Money Makeover book, I became very excited. I became excited because I knew this book would inspire readers to take immediate action through a simple, step-by-step process that could only lead to life-changing results. Hope, the light at the end of the tunnel, is not an oncoming train. It is a very powerful force. As excited as I was, though, I had no idea at the time what we were starting. I thought this stuff was common sense, but it turns out that common sense isn't that common anymore.